Today I'm putting a fun twist to the classic Paneer Makhani. Presenting to you a Paneer Makhani pie. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. I have my paneer cubes. To this I'm adding Kashmiri red chili powder. To make my puree, in my blender, I'm going to put in my onions which have been fried, tomato puree. Now it's time to cook our Paneer Makhani gravy. I'm heating my pan. To that I'm going to add some butter. Next goes in my tomato, onion, cashew puree. The puree is thickened. To this I'm adding my paneer pieces that were marinated. Some water. And I'm going to simmer this for about 10 minutes. To make our pie, I'm going to grease my pie dish. Got my puff pastry sheets. I'm using ready store-bought puff pastry sheets. I'm going to line my pie dish with it. In this, I'm going to use the Paneer Makhani that we've prepared. For my pastry on top, I'm going to cut thin strips of my pastry and make a design with it. Next, I'm going to just top my pie with Kalonji or onion seeds or Nigella in English. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at 180 degrees.